Hello everybody, this is Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations. We have a bunch of asparagus here, and I'm going to tell you how I make my asparagus cream sauce to put over penne pasta and or rice. So let's get started and I'll tell you how it's done. Okay everybody, here's our ingredients for the asparagus cream sauce. You can see straight ahead one bunch of asparagus. I use half of that into inch-sized pieces or bite-sized pieces into a saucepan with 1.5 cups of water. To that I add about half a red onion and or a small red onion into pieces. I don't worry about size, I just cut it up. And then 2 cloves of garlic. I remove the skin obviously and just crush that and put it in there. Then juice of lemon, a splash of lemon juice and or 1 slice of lemon. Bring that to a boil, let it get al dente, which is about 8 to 10 minutes. Add salt and pepper to taste. Blend it. After I blend it, I strain it, put it back in the saucepan. Add heavy whipping cream and cornstarch with that as needed to thicken. And I'll show you what I have here as a finished product, which we put over penne pasta or any type of pasta which you prefer. I'll have the items that you need or ingredients, amounts that I use, and methods in the description box below, so you can check that out. Give me a second and we'll get back to you here with the plating. Okay, as I said, I've got penne pasta here. You can use whatever type you like, but what I do is I take my sauce, my finished product, I add pieces of asparagus to it, bite-sized pieces at the end, and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes to be al dente. And then I pour that over rice like so. Sorry, not rice. You can use rice if you like, but I use pasta most of the time. And then some grated Parmigiano Reggiano like so. And there you have it. It is our asparagus cream sauce over penne pasta with some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. And that adds a nice touch to it. But there you go. Very simple ingredients. Like I say, you bring it to a boil, blend, strain, add cream and some cornstarch until thickened, and season to taste, salt and pepper, and then put over pasta and with some good quality Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and then dig in. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and thanks again for watching.